Hello everybody, this is a channel update. I thought I should do one because I have been missing for a little while and you may have thought that I was dead. But that is not quite the case, as you can see. It could have been, as I will show you directly, because on my last trip to South Australia I had what is called in the media a medical episode, which I had a problem with my heart, which I didn't know. I go to the cardiologist every couple of years and they tell me, you're fine, off you go. Until I come back and tell him what happened. Oh yes, we knew there was problems with your heart, but way back in 2007. Of course they didn't tell me, did they? I came back, I survived, no thanks to him, and I didn't kill anybody else. Very angry about that. There could have been more communication. And the other reason why I haven't been on the tube, I then of course had to have a heart operation because they wouldn't let me drive anymore and I couldn't do any more adventures, could I? So in between time I've had to have a heart operation, I've had to secure a new vehicle and set it up for touring, which I'm still doing, and I still have some content to edit from my last trip. So as you can see, I have been somewhat waylaid. Anyway, we'll get into the description. I'll show you what happened. Here you see me driving along this nice straight road, no problem. I'm keeping just that little bit off the edge, but here you see I've obviously lost conscious. Heading this way, and then maybe I slumped to the right, pulled the wheel, and went across the road. Luckily, straight road, nobody coming. Here's the results. The poor old car is history, as well as my caravan. They don't survive hitting trees and things, as you can see. Well, that's it, guys. You see what happened and why I haven't been around. But hopefully, when we're allowed, I must say, because currently we're all locked up here in Sydney for God knows how long. So eventually, I may be able to get out somewhere and take some more video and make some more content. But in the meantime, I'll try and get around to editing what I've got and release it for you. So just so you know, I'm still alive and I'm still here. Thanks for watching.